Good morning, students. Today we'll do the sums related to circles. The first question is AB ACBO is a quadrant. ACBO is a quadrant and BCD is a triangle. Find the area of shaded region. In shaded region we have to see the radius is 3.5 and OD is 2. Shaded region is area of quadrant minus area of circle. Area of quadrant is pi r square minus area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height. This is 22 by 7. Radius is 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. This is 5. This is 2 and this is 11. This will be 385. One by 4 into 1 by 4 minus half into 35 by 10 into 2. This will be 3.5 and this will be 7 into 77 by 8 minus 3.5, 49 by 8 centimeters. Question 2. Question 2 is, in a given figure, OPBQ is a quadrant and ABCQ is a square. Find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be area of quadrant minus area of square. Area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r. It is given this is 20, this also will be 20, so diagonal will be 20 root 2. So this is the radius of, so this will be 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus 20 into 20. So this will be 22 into 20 into 20 into 2 by 7 into 4. This is 5 minus 400. So this will be 6 to 8. We can put the value of pi as 3.14 by 100. So this also will be cancelled. 628 minus 400, it will be 228 centimeters. 3. Question number 3 is ABCD is a square. Find the area of again shaded region. area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of circle. Side of a square is given 14 pi r square minus area of circle. Area of square is 14 into 14. Area of circle is pi r square. That will be 22 by 7. That will be 22 by 7 r. This is 14. 14 is diameter. Radius will be 7 into 7. 14 into 14 is 196 minus 154 is equal to 42 centimeters square. Question number 4. A square handkerchief, 9 design circles. Nine design circles are there. So the question is find the area of remaining portion. Find the area of the remaining portion. The remaining portion is area of square, area of square minus area of circles into 9, and the radius of circle is 7. Therefore A, B, C, D, this is 7. So diameter will be 14 and AB is equal to 3 into diameters. So 3 into 14 is 42. So 42 into 42 minus 9 pi r square. So 42 into 42 is 1764 minus 1386. So it will be 378 centimeters. Question number 5. Question number 5 is ABCD is a square. Four circles. Four circles. Find the area of shaded region. Shaded region is area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant. Area of square. Side of a square is 14. 14 into 14 minus 4 pi r. R is 7 into 7. So 14 into 14 is 196 into 1 by 4 because it's a quadrant minus 154, 42 centimeters. Question number 6. Question number 6 is Question number 6 is ABCD is a rectangle. This is 50. Find the area of shaded region. And B. These are equal. This is 40. Area of shaded region is equal to area of rectangle minus area of semicircle minus 2 into area of quadrant. Area of rectangle is 50 into 14. Area of semicircle, this one, half into pi r. R is 7 into 7 minus 2 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 50 into 4 is 700. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. 77. This is cancelled, this is 11, this is cancelled. 77. So 700 minus 154 is equal to 546 centimeters.